This video will show you how to enter events into facebook.com. So you're going to navigate to facebook.com and use the login information that's provided right here. It has the email and the password. Once you enter that, the Facebook page will load. You're going to navigate over to the side where the events tab is. Now, if you're using the app instead of the website, just know that things are going to look a little bit different, but you will still be able to find that event tab. Once the events tab loads, you're going to click the button that says create new event. And once that populates, our events are always going to be online. And it's always going to be general, so you can click it that way. You can name the event and enter it however you need it to be. So we're going to call this one Halloween. And then you'll enter the start date as planned. So let's do the 28th. If there is a specified end date, you can enter that as well. We'll say this one ends on the 29th. And for privacy, we're always going to select private, which means, and we'll leave the guests can invite friends button on. We'll move to next, and we'll go with other because we'll enter the description of the event as needed. Next. So the description of the event will pop in here. If I have one listed for you, you can copy and paste it in. Otherwise, you can leave it completely blank. You'll go ahead and push next. And then we'll have the option to upload a photo. If I have provided a photo for you to upload, please upload it here. If I did not, just leave it blank and push the create event button. It's going to take a second to load, and once it populates, it'll bring you right into our event, and that's all you have to do to set up the event.